What the frick is up? So we're back with the dually, about to change the oil on that. Just got back from town, and we got my other black truck, 2016 F-150. Change the oil on it too, because I'm gonna be driving it to work this week instead of old Pearl. So let's freaking get into it. Alright, so we got our 5 quarts, 5W20 synthetic blend. Got our oil filter. And we got an extra quart to put in the oil filter. And she's good to get. Right here, you just untwist it and you gotta go up to the oil pan and drain it. And get your ratchet, and there's a bolt right here. It undoes it. I'm gonna let it drain. That's tough. She's about due for a freaking... God. She's about due for a freaking oil pan gasket. Come on, you freaking son of a dick. Shoot. There we go. This gonna get all over me. But not if you do it right. Shoot. You. Just like that. Yes, sir. I got oil all over me. And just let it drain. Dang dirt dauber's nest under here. Got a daggum whole hotel. Like, jeez. I tell you guys, when I get this truck done, it's gonna be like no other. Ah, oi. Look at all this. Ah, dang. Right up under the fuel filter, right in there. Right there. Whew. If there's any ladies out there that has a boyfriend and don't know how to change the oil, you, ma'am, have a girlfriend. Go ahead and tell you that. Once your oil is quit draining, you want to wipe around the rim of the hole. Make sure there ain't no dirt or nothing to get a good seal around it. Get all that dirt stuff, whatever's on it. Let's shoot. And then plug her back up. Make sure she's nice and tight. Where's my wrench? Where'd it go? Just freaking had it. Oh, there it is. Gosh. I ain't used to working under small or lower trucks like this. Can't move. On old Pearl, it ain't nothing to you changing oil. Give it a good little torque down. Make sure she's nice and tight. I'm going to change the oil filter. There we go. Usually on the oil filter you can get a good grip on it and be able to turn it. But I probably won't be able to. Oh, shit. Yeah, there we go. Well, that was easy enough. And I'll tell you when the last time this truck's been changed. I know I said they did the servicing on it, but they ain't drove it in like 5 months. There she blows. She had a little great oily. That's where the oil filter goes. I'm gonna wipe off that piece it screws into, and get it cleaned up, and then we get the oil filter, pour some oil in it, and put some oil on around the seal so it'll seal good. Always check to make sure the numbers are right on the new one you got. We got the same numbers. Alright, y'all see that? See that ring around it? You're gonna pour it about, fill it up about halfway, and then put a little bit and put around this seal. We're gonna crack her open. There we go. Take a little bit on it, put around that outer seal. Ooh. It's all lubed up now, baby. Clean that piece that it screws into off. Make sure you ain't got nothing on your rag. I sure don't want to get up in there. Nice and tight, good hand tight. And when you're done with all that, you'll open this cap right here, and that's where you're gonna put the oil back in her. Side like that, it'll come out a whole lot easier. Nelly, you been playing in the mud, girl? Nelly. Last and final step. Get your dipstick, pull it out. You should see right there. Well, you ain't be able to see. What, Mike? See? She's full. I'm gonna put a little coolant in it. It's a little low. Yeah. So. Driving down the road, and I'll be back. Good oil pressure, coolant. Oh, well, I just cranked it up, but all the gauges are good. Alright, she is good to go. We don't need to add any more. She ran fine, nothing leaking. For right now, we'll be the true test when I come back home and see what it looks like under it. But alright, this is my 2016 F-150. She's 4-wheel drive and got the 5.0. Pretty nice old truck. The only thing I've done to it since I got it is put this grill on it. Had one of them factory black stock bumpers. It was ugly, so I swapped it. It wasn't that grill wasn't but like $50. Now we start. It's got the old Coyote 5.0 in her. I bought it when it had 71,000 miles on it, and now she's got 80. I bought her right before I went to work with the people I'm working with now, and I have to travel a lot. But now, since I got old Pearl, I'll show y'all her in a minute. Old Pearl all fixed up and not scared to drive her anywhere anymore. I drive her, heck. So I'm about to get the oil changed in it and wash it up a little bit and get her ready for work in the morning. So this is old Pearl. This is my first truck. I ain't gonna tell y'all much about her yet, because I'm gonna do a whole video on her here for long. I tell you, we bought this truck for $600. That's all I'll tell you right now. And look at it now. That tells you how run down it was. So she ain't a diesel. None of my trucks I got are diesels, sadly. But I love them either way, gas or diesel. It's really just a body style for me. So. That's gonna do it for this video. Y'all like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.